Today we talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your CiCi app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click your own profile down here, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on edit profile here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click in this camera here. So then here you just click on allow, then automatically it's going to take you to your device photos to select photo you want to add on your profile. So that's all you have to do to change or add your photo profile. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.